Hello friends, today I'm going to update my 2012 13-inch MacBook Pro from HDD to SSD, and also I'm going to ramp up the memory from 6GB to 16GB, and then I will do a comparison and see if it's any worth it. So for the update you will need an SSD, two 8GB of memory card, one Phillips screw, one T6. So to open, you're going to use the Phillips screw. Keep in mind guys, these three are longer than the rest of them. Once you have done that, just pull up from the top, and that's it. Now as soon as you open guys, I would suggest you disconnect the battery, just to be safe. Now we're going to take off the hard drive. It's right here. It has 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these two doesn't come off completely, so just loose enough and then pull it off. Be careful guys, this ribbon attached to this connector. Just pull gently and it should come off. Now we're gonna have to save these screws. There's 2 on each side, so you can reuse them on the SSD. Now grab the SSD. And put the screw back in the SSD we just took off. Just grab the connector and then gently push it. Put this side in first. Just drop it. Pick up the connector. Remember, this extension side goes to the left. Okay, now we're done with the SSD. The memories are right here. There's one on top, another one on below. We're going to take it off by pull these 2 tabs outward, and the memory card should pop out like this. And then gently pull it and repeat the step on the second one. Now take your new 16GB memory card and install them, the bottom one first. Make sure the short side goes to your right. So just align it and then push it down. Repeat the same thing with the second one. That's it. Now we are done. Connect the battery. Close the cover. Screw it back. So let's do the speed test. I'm going to open a couple of apps, the heavy apps, and then transfer some files, and then do Blackmagic speed test. Alright, as you can see friends, this change will definitely not replace any brand new MacBook Pro or 2-3 years old MacBook Pro, but I think it will help a lot. So if this video helped you guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for stopping by.